No, you're not allowed to say that. His dad's the only reason this school's still running. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, when am I going to wash my hands?
Yes, of course I'm right. I always am.
Like a lion right now.
I'm Voldemort.
Look how good that's already looking.
What's going on here?
I'm just going to keep my head down.
I have no idea.
Your hair. I'm just going to keep it down.
Same. Like, what?
But, like,
Why are you always here?
I think we'll be twins. My plan
Do not speak to him like that. 50 points from Gryffindor.
best friend.
Hey!
No, they're
Excuse me. I'm evil.
Well,
Yes, let me get my dad. He worships you. Yes, finally someone worships me.
Oh, Emily.
No! Draco must not get master! Yeah, no one likes you, Voldemort. You have no hair or eyes. Don't talk to him like that. He is our lord.
I told him to
Master, what are you doing here?
We'll be fine.
Dobby, why are you here? Excuse me, shouldn't this be about me? I'm Dark Lord. No, it should be about Harry.